Hey guys, welcome to this week's beta of Autom8tic. Thank you so much for tuning in. I just wanted to go over just another tutorial. It's been a while since we've done one about how we have some new users on how to install and uninstall the software. So you have the link, and basically what you'll do is you're going to be able to download the software, and then at this point you're going to want to uninstall, go into your uninstall program features in Windows. So go ahead and do that and uninstall it. Remove it. It's a large file, so it takes a little while. Just a side note, Davey and I were very late to the video, so we may not be able to post our updates on this week's drop, but we will post it into Discord about what's dropping to keep you guys up to date. So that should be very helpful on there. So once the program's uninstalled, then at that point you're going to want to hop back into wherever you have the file. And go ahead and do the setup. Install. So we're looking forward to a very stoked drop this week, guys. So we look forward to the feedback. All of your new users have been issued short-term licenses. We're no longer issuing out our 14-day licenses anymore as we're growing, but we are still giving limited amounts and limited days of betas depending on your invitation and how you found out about us. So once Autom8tic launches, this is the very end of this video here, you're going to enter your key, validate it, and voila, you will be inside. So that is the end of this tutorial, and look forward to you guys having a really successful beta.